In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install 7-Zip program. It is an open source program used to archive files. So that means in the Google, it says 7-Zip is a free and open source file archive for compressing and uncompressing files. If you need to save some disk space or make your files more portable, this software can compress your file into an archive with a .7c extension. So to download this file, go to Google, type in 7-Zip download, and make sure you go to the first link that says www.7zip.org. That is a trusted source. Depending on your operating system of your computer, you click on whatever suitable for your computer. I'm going to click this one. It is downloading. Now it is in my download folder. I'm going to click on this one. It is asking you the permission. Click yes. I'm going to select the default folder. Install. Install is complete now. Close. Now we have installed the 7-Zip program. I'm going to show you how to compress some files and decompress that file. To do that, go to your search and type in 7Z. Open the 7-Zip file manager. Now I'm going to go to my C folder. This is my 7-Zip. I'm going to remove this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a file. This is the file. You can see properties. This is 157 MB of file size. I'm going to compress it using 7-Zip. Okay. Add to archive. And you get this one. When you archive, it is going to put 7Z at the end. I'm going to keep all the default options. Okay. Now you can see it is compressing that file. So in this case, you see it didn't compress that much. It only compressed a little bit here because this file is already a text file. So let's try another file. So let's try a folder. This is a folder, properties, and this is 6.51 GB. It's a pretty big file. So let's see how much space we can gain using the compression. 7-Zip, add to archive. You can encrypt the file also by putting the password and send the file over to someone, and then you can provide them with the password again, maybe with a one-time secret or something, or you can call them and provide the password. So it has the encryption features also. Click OK. Now it is compressing. So it's going to take some time because it's a pretty big file. Okay, now the compression complete. Properties, 6.38 GB. Properties, 6.51 GB. So it is not that much, but still, it is doing its job. Think about if you have something like terabytes of data, this is still going to save you some space. I'm going to delete this song folder and recreate my original song folder. Right click, extract to the same location. Now it is extracting it back again. But you see the extraction time is much less than the compression time. So now the extraction complete. I am going to delete this one, open this one. I have all my files here. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.